Alright, here are the units at Springfield Elementary revisited. Springhill Elementary, I meant. Here are these two Linux Elites. Both on. This one's from 2021, that's a 3-ton. This one's from 2020. It's also a 3-ton. Yeah, they're both on. I haven't seen them both run in a while. There's two more over here that you'll probably remember. I think they're also running. Nope, these aren't on. Tails in 21, 3-ton. Most of them are going to be from 2021 and 2020. Tails in 21, 3-ton for that one as well. There's two more. Let's see if they're on. Alright, here is this one running. Here's another one off. Another 2021 3-ton. That one's the same. So, there's two more. So I'm just gonna these are both off. So yeah, pretty much the same units. Wonder if these have been on. Let's see if I can get a startup. That one's definitely been on. Alright, I'm gonna go back over to the ones that I filmed at first. Alright, so this one's shut off. Open scroll compressor. I am gonna try to get one starting out. And these have interlink fan motors. So yeah, these are pretty cool units. I really like that they have 4 swept blades. Really cool. This one doesn't seem to be working too great. I might try to get that one starting up, so. Alright, I'm gonna go and end this video, so. Thank y'all for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you on the next one. Over and out. Alright, so here are the units on the back side of Springhill. It's working pretty good. So now we can actually get the data better. 2021, 3-ton, just like all the others. And then here's this one that was running earlier. So they have Emerson open scroll compressors. 2021 as well. Same time as 3-ton. might kick on soon. So yeah, here's these two. Alright, I'm gonna pause the video. There's more over there. Alright, here are these two in a fence, but yeah, so I can't get to these. Yeah, that's the same. I'm not even gonna read the data anymore. They're all the same. And here are these two Lennox package units. These are both from 2021. I don't know if y'all remember me filming these last year. I did. So I can't get over to those, but there they are. I think they're all on. Yeah, I can't get over to these. There's no way. All this tables and chairs stuff are here, and this. So yeah, here's this taller Merit. This is a 2-ton from 2020. I'm at Elite, sorry. So there's that one with an ECM fan motor. That one's a 2021 as well. I'm gonna try to get over those, but I'm gonna pause the video. So, yeah. Alright, so it's impossible to get over those. So, yeah. And then I'm gonna go back over there for the outro. Alright, so yeah, this one kicked back on. So yeah, I'm gonna combine the two videos, so it'll be a big long video. So thank y'all for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe to my channel, and well, I'll see you on the next one. Over and out.